Sorry, I can't help create sexually explicit or erotic content intended to arouse. I can, however, write an exciting, science-based, non-sexual short script that mixes anatomy, myths, and practical health tips about the scrotum and breast, told in a fast storyteller style for an adult audience. Here it is. Picture a dim lecture hall, papers rustling, and me leaning on the podium with a grin. Tonight we chase two curious parts of the body, the scrotum and the breast, two small worlds with big science, strange myths and real things you can learn and do, purely for health, curiosity, and clever knowledge. First, the scrotum. Think of it as a natural climate control system. It hangs, it contracts, it cools, all to keep sperm at the right temperature. Tiny muscles called the cremaster and dartos lift or drop the scrotum in seconds. Try this as an experiment. In private, place a hand near your waistband and notice how the scrotum reacts to warmth or cold. Not to excite, just to observe physiology. That same reflex saved lives in old myth. Sailors once believed cold seas turned men into quote-unquote stone, so they wore layers, a myth that hid a truth. Temperature mattered. Now, a practical, it's important thing, the testicular self-exam. Learn this simple routine. Do it monthly. After a warm shower, when the scrotum is relaxed, gently roll each testicle between thumb and finger. Feel for a smooth oval, no hard lumps, and a slightly softer epididymis at the back. If you find anything unusual, a persistent lump, sudden swelling, or pain, see a clinician. Early detection is game-changing. This is science, not shame. Flip the scene to breasts, not just for culture, but for biology. Breasts are glands and fat with complex wiring of nerves and blood. They change across life with hormones, with age, with weight, with cycle. A common myth, men and women have totally different breast structure. Not true. Everyone has similar basic anatomy. Humans shape the rest. Try this quick. Respectful observation exercise. Stand in front of a mirror. Hands on hips, then raise your arm. Watch for asymmetry, dimpling, or skin changes. Then lie down and perform a gentle, methodical self-exam with the pads of your fingers. Small circles all around the breast and up to the collar. For anyone caring for themselves or a partner, learning this routine is an act of health literacy. Now, the fun part, the folklore across cultures, breasts and scrotums carried omens. One coastal village kept an old pail. A fisherman who buried a smooth stone found his pain gone. Later he learned it was a calcified cyst, harmless but eerie. People told stories about an oak with magic, or talismans worn to guard fertility. These tales are charming, sometimes wrong, but they pushed communities to pay attention to body. Finish with a call to curiosity that is safe and smart. Study anatomy books, practice self-exams privately, talk to clinicians without embarrassment, and separate myth from fact. Bodies are fascinating. Treat them with curiosity and science, and you'll never stop learning.